Hey there, I am Debbie, and Useful Products sent me the DrillBrush Power Scrubber in exchange for my honest opinion and review. I have two different sets of the DrillBrush Power Scrubber here today. I have the yellow and the black. They both come with the same sets of items, but they have different uses, so let's talk about that. The black drill brush is best used for things like grills, metal, things that are like really, really tough and need something really stiff to work out. You can tell the difference between that and that. This is like squishy compared to that. This is a really, really tough, thick bristle. You can actually tell the difference in the sizes of the bristles there and how thick they are. Stiff, medium. So installation is really simple. For my type of cordless drill, I just stick it into the drill chuck, tighten it up. I know it's tight when I hear those clicks, and I'm ready to go. You can imagine that on something that rotates this powerfully is going to make a very powerful cleaning mechanism. If you're ready to see it in action, so am I.